day 27 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge, and today we're tackling the one area we all have but rarely want to admit: your junk drawer. Or junk area if you don't have a junk drawer. You know, the catch-all area or drawer where you find random things like paper clips, batteries, and even a random key. Let's conquer the chaos together. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Vanis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. If you haven't already, feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Today we're giving some tough love to those infamous junk drawers, or in my case, junk area. We don't really have many drawers in our home, just the 4 in the kitchen. So I will be tackling my junk area that I'm going to turn into our mini gym area. Don't worry, the tips I share today apply to both drawers and an area. Let's do this. Junk drawer cleanse. Let's start fresh by emptying the junk drawer or area completely. View every single item. Is it useful? Does it belong here? Say goodbye to duplicates, broken items, and those mystery objects that have overstayed their welcome. Remember, not everything is a keeper. It's okay to let go. Yes, I realize we have many of those reusable grocery bags, and that's because we order groceries weekly for this multi-generational family I live with. There's a lot of us, and it seems that my siblings enjoy stashing those bags. Organized chaos. Now let's bring in some structure. Use dividers, small bins, or even upcycle boxes to group similar items together. Think batteries in one section, pens in another. If you're doing a junk area, consider a utility cart or bins to provide more order. Now it's your turn. Take a deep breath and tackle that junk drawer or area. It only takes a few minutes and the results will feel amazing. Do you have a junk drawer or a junk area? Tell me in the comments below. If you love this decluttering challenge, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you can join me on the final day tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow's the final day and we're heading into the digital world, so you don't want to miss it. See you tomorrow for day 28, the finish line.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.